For the second video, it will be about the lymphatic system. Lymphatic system is one of the transport system. The only different thing is that the liquid is lymph instead of blood, and the vessel is lymph vessel instead of blood vessels. Let's talk about these four things first. For lymph and blood, they are quite similar, except for lymph, it does not contain plasma protein, red blood cell, and blood platelets. And it may contain a lot of fat. So that's why for lymph, this is milky. And blood, due to hemoglobin, it is red. Lymph vessel and blood vessel, there will be two differences. One difference is that for all the lymph vessel, if we cut it longitudinally, so this is a longitudinal section. When we cut it longitudinally, for the lymph vessel, they all have valves. But this time, the valves is used to prevent the backflow of lymph, but not the backflow of blood. And for lymph vessels, only the wings, the aorta, and the pulmonary artery will contain valves. In the blood vessel, the valves will be used to prevent the backflow of blood. And then in this case will be the backflow of lymph. So, prevent the backflow of the liquid. To make sure the liquid flow in one direction. Make sure the liquid flow in one direction. So depending whether you are talking about the blood or the lymph. And the other difference, I would say this is a similarity. For the other difference will be, for lymph vessel, it's like this. We say it is closed end. But for blood vessel, this, we say it is open end. So for lymph vessel will be closed end, and then for blood vessel will be open end. So this is about the lymph vessel and the blood vessels. The lymphatic system, if we look at a human, we have a lot of something like this. Okay. These we call lymph node. Lymphatic. These are areas that can be swollen. And if it will be near the neck, under the armpit, this we call the armpit. Near the genitals, this we call the genitals. 生殖器官嘅附近 genitals, armpit, and near the neck, there will be some lymph node. At the lymph node, there will be more lymphocyte. So lymphocyte is the kinds of white blood cell. These are the white blood cells that can produce antibodies. And remember, antibodies is non-living. It is just a kind of protein. So when the lymph node gets swollen, okay, when it gets swollen, it tells you one thing, you are infected. Infected by pathogens. Pathogens means 病原體. Any kinds of, for example, it can be bacteria, virus, parasites, 寄生蟲. So these are an example of pathogens. So lymph nodes around and connecting the lymph nodes, those will be lymph vessel. And if you remember, around the ileum, this is the ileum. Around the ileum, we have the lymph vessel. We have the name called lacteal. So lymph vessel will be around the neck, so lymph vessels. So when we talk about the functions of the lymphatic system, we focus on two areas. For one area, it is related to the lacteal. It is for the transport of fat, absorption and transport of fat or lipid. The other one will be related to lymphocyte. It is for body defense. So two main functions, transport of fat and body defense. So that's the focus of the lymphatic system. In fact, usually the lymphatic system is not the main focus of this chapter, because we have one chapter related to body defense. And then in that chapter, we will talk more about the lymphocyte and phagocyte. So in the lymphatic system, it will be related, for this part, it related to the different kinds of white blood cell. So the main focus of lymphatic system is about the component of lymph and the structure of lymph vessel. Alright, that's it.